that classic minivan that'll give you tons of seating, lots of storage, and an amazing media center? Well, this is a 2011 Chrysler Town Country, and it'll give you all those features and more. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this silver exterior color. You also have chrome all throughout your grille here with your Chrysler badge right there in the front. Then you have these halogen headlamps with fog lamps below. And this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 16-inch alloy wheels. And making your way over to your side mirrors, they are powered and heated. Okay, so looking at these front seats with these black cloth seats, they are super soft, really comfortable. You also have your captain chair armrest that can fold up, and your driver's side is power adjustable. Then looking at your leather wrapped steering wheel, you have your cruise controls on the front, media controls on the back, and then looking over to your media center, you have your radio options right here. You can subscribe to satellite radio if you choose to. You also have your options for your media, everything, your menus, your settings for your radio, your files. This does have a hard drive, so you can upload your own stuff. You have a USB port, aux port, and then your CD insert is located behind the media center right there. This also has a backup camera, so when your vehicle is in reverse, you can see behind your vehicle. Really helps, you know, to back out of those tight spots, or, you know, back into a spot. Really helpful. So you have your classic Chrysler clock right there, and then you have all of your dual climate controls, so you can have different settings on each side of the front seat, and then you can also lock the back seat if you want to. You have your traction control, your 110 volt where you can turn that on and off, hazards, econ mode. Shelf right there. This pulls out for 2 cup holders, and then you have more room below with 2 12 volts. Then looking into your center console right here, 4 cup holders, so just tons of cup holders for all your passengers. This opens up and this slides back, so you can have more room, another 12 volt in there. And if you want to allow your middle row to use these cup holders, you can just slide that back, and then they can have access to those. So looking up, you have all of your power doors, so you can let your kids out without having them push the buttons. And then you have a mirror right here and your universal garage door openers. And let's look at the seats at the back. Okay, so looking in this middle row, you have quad seating, so 2 seats in the middle, 3 in the back with an aisleway between the 2 in the middle, so you can easily get to that 3rd row. Looking up, you have your climate controls back here and lots of storage compartments all throughout the top, so you can have, you know, maybe some deck of cards or something in there. This does have stow and go, so you can fold this up, use that for storage, or you can fold your seats into it. And then looking into that 3rd row back there, you have 3 seats and your cup holders on each side. Looking up, you have your roof rails up top, lip spoiler here in the back, LED tail lamps, and all your badging, flex fuel badging. And this has a power lift gate on your key fob along with your power doors. And then looking into the back here, plenty of space. You do have that button for your lift gate, have a shelf there, and then these seats can fold down as well. So overall, amazing minivan. You have all of that seating back here, that stow and go, so lots of storage capacity. And if you want to see this Chrysler Town & Country or any of our other minivans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that's quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
Have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.